Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Make.com scenarios for product fulfillment updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Make.com scenarios for product fulfillment updates, begin by logging into your Make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Scenario button to initiate a new scenario. You will be presented with a blank canvas for your new scenario. Start by selecting the first app you want to connect. For product fulfillment updates, you might want to choose an app like Shopify or WooCommerce. After selecting your app, choose the appropriate trigger event that will initiate your scenario. For example, you might choose New Order from Shopify. Click Continue to connect your account and allow Make.com access. Follow the prompts to authenticate your account securely. Once connected, you will see options to configure the trigger settings. Customize the settings according to your needs, such as selecting the store or order parameters. After configuring your trigger, click on the plus sign to add another module. Select the app that will handle the next step in your fulfillment process. If using an inventory management app, choose that next. Now, select the action you want this app to perform, like update inventory. Configure the necessary fields in the action settings to make sure to map the data from the trigger to the action fields properly. Test the connection to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Once the connection is successful, add any additional modules if needed for further actions. You can include modules for sending notifications or updating spreadsheets if necessary. After adding all modules, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you can set a name for your scenario and enable or disable the scenario. Finally, turn on your scenario by toggling the button at the top of the screen. Your Make.com scenario for product fulfillment updates is now set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.